How to convert image to PDF on Google Drive. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily convert any image to PDF from your Google Drive. Open up your web browser first, go to your Drive, search for Google Drive and make sure that you are logged in. So I already have few videos here, so videos and photos. So I'm going to open the shared photos option and here I've gotten a few photos. So let's say if I want this photo to be converted into a PDF, I'm going to right click on it and then go to open with, and I'm going to open it on Google Docs. Now it'll automatically import the photo to Google Docs on a new Word document. Once that is done, you can remove any unnecessary text if you want, or you could just edit it the way you want. Once you have your picture loaded on your Google Docs, once your photo opens up, you can just adjust its size, something like this. And once you're happy with it, go to File, and then from here you can go to Download, and you can download it directly as a PDF document. Now all you have to do is just click on it and it will automatically open up your photo in a PDF document. This one is a little bit blurred, but if you have a good quality image, it won't be pixelated like this. That's how you basically turn your picture into a PDF on Google Drive. If you found this helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you on the next one.